In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Google Sheets column using two simple methods. Whether you're organizing data for a project or just tidying up a spreadsheet, knowing how to rename your columns can make navigating your data a lot easier. Let's dive into the first method, which involves directly renaming the header cell itself. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and finding the column you'd like to rename. Once you've located it, click on the cell in the very first row of the column. This is usually where your column header sits. Think of it as the label for all the data underneath it. So choose a name that succinctly captures the essence of your column. Now, simply type your new column name directly into this header cell. It's a straightforward process, but make sure not to overwrite important data in adjacent cells as you type. Once you've entered your desired column name, press Enter on your keyboard or click outside the cell to ensure your changes are saved and applied. Now, let's explore the second method, which is especially useful if you're working extensively with formulas or need to refer to the column frequently. This method involves using a named range. Begin by navigating to the Data menu at the top of your Google Sheets interface. From the drop-down, select Named Ranges. This will open a sidebar on the right part of your screen where you'll see the option to add a new range. Go ahead and click the +Add a Range button to get started. Next, select the entire column you want to rename by clicking the column's header. For instance, if you wish to rename column C, simply click on the C at the top. Immediately, you'll notice the range appearing in the input box as something like Sheet 1 CC. This notation is simply telling Google Sheets which part of your spreadsheet you're working with. Remember, it's an automatic reference, so you don't need to adjust it manually. All you need to do now is enter your desired new name in the designated name field. Let's say we're called it Sales. Type Sales into the field, and when you're happy with your choice, click Done to finalize your named range. It is a particularly handy method if you want to improve your spreadsheet's overall organization or enhance the readability of complex sheets. And there you have it, two different approaches to renaming a Google Sheets column effectively. Now, whether you're using the direct header renaming method for quick changes or opting for a named range to make your spreadsheet more formula-friendly, you're well equipped to maintain neat and accessible data in your Google Sheets projects. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheet organizing!